Guys, this frosting is so delicious, so irresistibly fluffy, and so quick to make. Hey you guys, I have a quick frosting recipe video for you today. I wanted to share my go-to recipe for cream cheese frosting. It's so easy, and this recipe has the perfect balance of ingredients to achieve a luscious, creamy texture. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. I post new videos every week. So without further ado, let's dive into this recipe. So you're going to start off with 2 sticks of room temperature butter. Keep in mind you don't want warm butter. You're going to want it on the cooler side of room temperature. I'm going to cream it until it's super fluffy, scraping the sides every now and then. So by creaming the butter, we're actually adding air into it, creating a structure that can hold other ingredients like sugar and cream cheese. Next, I have 4 cups of sifted powdered sugar. Make sure you sift your powdered sugar to get a smooth frosting. So here I'm adding the sugar in 3 to 4 stages, mixing in between each stage. You'll notice the texture will get a little tough, but that's what we want because the next step is to add the cream cheese, which will turn the consistency to smooth and creamy. So here I'm adding 1 block of cream cheese. You're going to want to use a block, not spreadable guys, not whipped, just plain full-fat cream cheese. Mix that until just combined and you'll notice it will start to get super creamy. Add the vanilla extract and mix for 1 minute and you'll have this creamy, pipable consistency. This frosting is so delicious and so fluffy, and it's so quick to make. It has become my go-to, especially for red velvet cakes or carrot cakes. This frosting can sit at room temperature for 3 hours. After that, it should be refrigerated and used or consumed within 4 days. If you're refrigerating this, bring it to room temperature and give it a good mix before spreading or piping. Let me know if you try this recipe out. I would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.